So, dear students, I am Shabbir. I am CEO of Jayam publication. I came here to teach this child development and pedagogy subject in English medium. So many faculties are there in our state. They are teaching in Telugu medium. So, English medium students are suffering a lot. They are not getting good subject. So many students and other faculties are requested to me to give good subject in English medium, especially for child development and pedagogy. This child development and pedagogy, this subject is very important subject for a TET aspirants, because of we have 30 marks for this. If you prepare properly, if you do hard work, if you practice, you will get minimum 25 marks. I will guide you, I will teach you properly to get good marks in exam. First of all, we will discuss about the syllabus. In child development and pedagogy, we have 3 main subtopics. One is development of child development, Sisu Vikasam. Sometimes I will teach in Telugu also, because of some students, they came from Telugu medium background, they can also understand. So, first one is development of child, Sisu Vikasam. Means what is growth, development and maturation, and principles of development. Next, factors influence development factors, like that dimensions of development, interrelationship with physical, motor, cognitive, emotional, social, moral, language relative to infancy, early childhood and later childhood. Like that, understanding the development, we have some theories, Piaget, Kohlberg and Chomsky, Carl Rogers. Then individual differences, this is also very important topic. In individual differences, we will study about attitude, aptitude, interest, habits, intelligence and other things. Next one is development of personality. Next, adjustment, behavior problems and mental health. Next, methods and approaches of child development. Means methods of child development. We will study about observation, interview and case study methods, and the others are cross-sectional and longitudinal also. Then developmental tasks and hazards. We have for 30 marks for this. We have 3 subtopics. So, from each topic, nearly we will get 10 marks. Second topic, understanding the learning about learning and factors affecting for learning and approaches for learning and dimensions for learning, and same time motivation, memory, forgetting, transfer of learning. This is also very small unit. Here also we will get nearly 10 marks. Then pedagogical concerns about methodology topics means here how to teach the students, what are the methods we have, and the same time in this topic we study about CWSN means children with special needs, how to teach with these students. We will study about this. In these three topics we will get nearly 30 marks. We will study one by one all the topics. Next here one more important topic is NCF 2005 and Right to Education Act 2009. In this topic also very important topic. Okay, we will study about these three topics. Today we will study about growth, development and maturation, its concept, nature and meaning we will study. Yes. In child development and pedagogy, today we will discuss about the first unit, development of child. Means child development. How it will be happen, we will discuss. In this first topic is growth, development and maturation. Today we will discuss about this growth, development and maturation concept, meaning and nature we will discuss. Let us discuss about this growth. You know that a human behavior depends upon three things. Human behavior depends upon three things. One is growth. Second one is its development. Third one is its maturation. Means its behavior changes by growth, by development and by maturation. Means in childhood he will act like one type, and in adult stage he will act another type, and after getting some experience he will act in other type. Means just like a maturity person. Means one by one today we will discuss about growth, development and maturation. Today we will discuss about this growth. Growth refers changes in physiology. Physiology means what? Physiology అంటే body changes in body. Changes in body means the growth refers change in weight, height and size. Not only these three things, other things, heart, brain, nerves, muscles, all these things are comes in growth. Means the changes occurs in physiology. ఏవైతే బాడీ చేంజెస్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో ఆల్ కమ్స్ ఇన్ గ్రోత్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, when the baby birth, his weight is 2.5 kg to 3.5 kg. Means average weight is 3 kg. Like that, height 18 inches to 20 inches. Like that, his brain size is 1/4 of adult brain size. Means, for example, adult brain size is 1350 grams. Means the born baby brain size is 1350 by 4. Means how much? 337.5 grams. At the same time, means growth is measurable. Growth is measurable and observable. Growth ni manam measure cheyochu and we can observe also. It is measurable, so it is quantitative. It is quantitative. Means growth is a narrow term. Means it refers only with all physiological changes. Physiological means body changes. Eligibility Hadlock says that all the physical development is called as growth. Elizabeth Hadlock says that all physical development is called as growth. Next one is development. Development means changes in overall means all types of changes comes structure and all other forms. Means the development of physical and psychological, emotional and social, all these type of developments are comes in development. Means the term development refers in overall changes in structure, in the form of shape or improvement or functioning, all comes in development. Means we can see we can observe, we can measure this growth, but we can't measure this development, because of this includes physical, psychological, emotional and social development. Means development, it is only observable. Only it is observable. It's not measurable. So it is called as qualitative. Growth is quantitative, but development is qualitative, because of we can't measure it. This growth, it stops at one time. Means first in is baby stage, then childhood, then adolescence, then adult, then old age. It stops, it ends. Growth ends at the end of maturity. But development, it cannot ends. Development is a continuous process. But growth, it is a physical process. It stops at any one point. So growth is a narrow one and development is a comprehensive and a broad terms. This development also includes growth. Next one is maturity. Maturity means what? Maturity means he learned so many things. Means by the stage of growth and development, he got so many things. Means when certain functions are performed by mind and body, automatically a person learns so many things automatically. That is called as maturity. Maturity means functioning of inside. It is means maturity means doing right thing at right time. అంటే సరైన సమయంలో సరైన పని చేయటము. అదంతా ఎలా వస్తుంది అంటే బై మెచ్యూరిటీ. మీన్స్ డూయింగ్ రైట్ టైం, right thing, right time. Means he learns so many things. So that is called as maturity. Okay. Now we will discuss some briefly once again. Growth and development. Growth is a narrow term and development is a broad term. Growth, it includes all physiological aspects. Physical changes means like body changes. Means it includes weight, height, size, heart, brain, nerves, muscles, all these things comes into this. And development, this growth is measurable, at the same time observable. So it is measurable, so it is called as quantitative. Like that, it is a very narrow term. Next one is development. It's changes in overall changes. Overall changes is called as development. Means structure and form. Changes in structure or form or shape. All this comes in development. This development is observable. It's not measurable. So it is called as qualitative. And this development, it is a continuous process, it can't ends, but the growth it's ends. If a person gets maturity, then the growth will be end, but this development it can't, it is a continuous process, it is a comprehensive process, it is a wider process. This developments includes growth also. Okay, next one is maturity. Maturity means functioning of inside. Inside means doing right things at right time. Okay, means a person he learns so many things. A person learns so many things by training and by experience. All this comes into the maturity. Okay. Yes. Next one is, what is the importance of growth, development and maturation for a teacher? A teacher has to know about these three things. Why he has to know? To give the proper guidance to the students, to counsel the students at what time what to do, and what to know the problems facing by the students. At the same time, to know the learning situations of the students. At the same time, to know the readiness and maturation of the learner. A teacher has to know about these three things.